Hello everyone, welcome to my channel today. My name is Wumi. On my channel, the target is for knowledge and growth, and on this channel, every video is a step towards enlightenment. Join me on a journey filled with knowledge, inspiration, and empowerment. So I have a question for you. Today, are you considering furthering your education in Germany? I'm wondering, you're thinking, should I go for my master's or should I go for vocational training? I want to inform you today that universities in Germany offer vocational training as well. In today's video, we'll weigh the pros and cons of both options to help you make an informed decision. You choose if you want to go for vocational training or you still want to continue on the master's path. Now, from the benefits of the hands-on, the experience, the advantages you will gain, we explore the key differences between vocational training and a master's degree in Germany. Whether you are an international student or you are looking into upskilling, you are in Germany and you are looking to upskilling, that maybe you want to further your education and want to go for your master's, this video is for you. So let's dive in and find out which path is right. Did you know that around 60% of young people in Germany choose vocational training over pursuing advanced degrees? It's a significant shift in the job market where skilled trades and practical experience are in increasing demand. As industries are evolving, they want qualified professionals. Vocational training is now becoming a preferred pathway for many, offering direct entry into the workforce with valuable skills. As a master's degree holder, that doesn't mean you don't have opportunities in Germany too. Don't get me wrong. But to access vocational training, let's not forget, you must understand the German language. So vocational training graduates, they find themselves in high demand in Germany, and they often secure employment even before they complete their training. This is largely because there is close collaboration between universities or vocational schools and industry partners, ensuring that the skills that are being taught at the universities or vocational schools are directly aligned with the needs of the marketplace. So if you are in a vocational school, you are learning what you need to integrate immediately into the marketplace. Apart from, we all know theoretical base is when it comes to academic learning. So vocational training is mainly focused on hands-on experience. There are German universities that offer vocational training in Germany. Some I have listed in my description list in this video. This is not an advert placement, but I decided to put it there so that people can know and choose the options and pursue the careers and not give up on themselves. Approximately 90% of those who complete vocational training find employment shortly thereafter. I am a testimony. Immediately I finished my vocational training, I got a job. It's very important that you understand any vocational training you go into, it doesn't necessarily mean it's because it's not professional. All vocational trainings, they have the professionality in high demand. And it also contributes to a good work-life balance because you are earning as you are learning. In my playlist, I've explained different types of vocational training. There are some that are for 2 years, there are some for 3 years, and there are some 3 to 5 months, 3 years to 5 months. 3 years and 5 months, I mean to say. And these years, you gather enough experience and theoretical knowledge, but also practically proficiency, which is a dual advantage that is highly valued by employers. So the work-life balance aspect of it. Germany promotes a very healthy work-life balance. Those that are into vocational training apprentice, they work 35 to 40 hours a week. They spend 3 days at the company, or 2 days at school. and it allows the commitment with personal interest and family time to work together, because you are earning as you are learning. This is fostering and creating a motivated and productive workforce environment, contributing to Germany's reputation for high efficiency and high quality education system. The advantages of vocational training system is a lot. So if you want to come in for your masters, no one is saying you shouldn't come into. But the most thing I want you to understand that there are more than 1,300 vocational training in Germany. They are offered at the universities, and you can do it as a dual studium. You end up having certificates, degrees, or if it is a state-based, you end up doing a state exam and you have your certificate as well. And it's easier for you to integrate into the job market, because there is a collaboration between vocational schools and industry partners. When graduates of vocational training, when they finish their training, they are well equipped to access the job market, because their training is tailored to meet specific needs of industries. They allow students to build professional network as well, and because you already did the training in the company, you already have access, you can network easily. It allows smooth transitioning from the academic to the employment side, from the education to the employment aspect. But to be able to access this, you must understand your German language. If you have studied the German language, what are you waiting for? Take the bold step. Only you can stop you. Don't give up on your careers. And if you haven't, what are you still waiting for? If you are doing your German language already, give yourself a big thumbs up. If you are finished a part at the back, you have done very well. If you have found the exploration of German's vocational training I've been talking about in my other videos, and I've explained different career options with different playlists, you can go into them and have a look at them. You can write us in the comment section as well. If you're interested and you want to know more in different aspects, write us in the comment section. We can come up with a video so every one of us can gain from it. Don't forget to join our like-minded community, that we have people who have integrated successfully into the German system. They are good, and they are becoming mentors. They can tell us how they were successful in their vocational training or in their education, and how they are doing fine in their professions, and what to expect if you want to come into this career option, your daily activities. I encourage you to watch our videos to the end. I encourage you to watch our playlist. I mean to say, there are lots of vocational options that you can choose from. We have the description there, the certificates you need, and definitely with all the certificates introduced in the videos and the career options, you must understand your German language to access vocational training. Let's not forget, it's a earn and learn platform. You are earning and you are learning, and by this you are not worried about paying bills. It is a debt-free form of education. Let's not forget the cost of getting educated is very high now, and Germany has made it that as you are working, you are earning as well, and you are learning. So I will encourage you, write us in the comment sections. Don't give up on your careers. Join our community, so that, and subscribe to our channel, of course, so that when we drop any video, you are the first to know. Hit the notification buttons. You are informed about our new content. See you in my next video. Don't give up on careers, because only you can stop you.